Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to unmute a conversation on X, also known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC after the latest update. If you've muted a chat before and stopped getting notifications from it, this quick guide will help you turn them back on in just a few easy steps. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. On the left side of the home screen, you'll see a vertical menu with several icons. Find and click on Messages. This is where all your private conversations are stored. Once you're in the Messages section, look through your chat list and find the conversation you want to unmute. Click to open that chat. It could be with one person or a group. The steps are the same for both. Now, look at the top right corner of the chat window. You'll notice an information icon, usually displayed as a small circle with a lowercase I inside. Click that icon to open the Conversation Details panel. Inside this panel, scroll or look for an option related to notifications. After the new X update, you'll see a feature called Snooze Notifications or a toggle that controls alerts for that conversation. If this toggle is currently on, that means the chat is muted. To unmute the conversation, simply disable or turn off the snooze notification setting. Once you do that, you'll start receiving alerts again whenever the person or group sends you a message. There's no need to refresh the page. The change takes effect right away. That's it. You've successfully unmuted a conversation on X using the web version on your PC. From now on, you'll be notified of new messages in that chat as usual, so you won't miss any updates or replies. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out other tutorials for more tips on using X and staying connected through your messages.